Right, everybody, it's about time. Me and you had a little bit of a chat because I told you before, do not buy XRP. You will lose your money. And what have you all gone out and done? You've gone and you've bought XRP and you've pumped the price well above $3, actually to a new all-time high. XRP trading at $3.40 today or earlier on today. It's just shy of $3.30 right now. So yes, I have to say congratulations if you are an XRP holder. And I have to put my hands up and say, look, I was wrong on this one to say that I thought XRP wouldn't go much higher than $3. Of course, nothing I say is financial advice. You have to make your own decisions. All I can do is give my opinion as somebody that's been in the crypto space now for 8 years, and I've been through it all. I've had ups, downs, I've made money, I've lost money. For me, XRP is uninvestable at this current moment in time. It's not to say you can never make money or you should never buy XRP. Indeed, lots of people have made a lot of money out of XRP over the last few months, and I take my hat off to them. It's been an absolutely incredible run. XRP going from 30, 40, 50 cents all the way up to above $3, over a 10x for some people they would have made on that investment. So that is absolutely incredible, and it's really come out of nowhere. And a lot of the catalyst for that has been, I see it as being two things. It's been the Bitcoin price obviously getting up to $100,000. I think if Bitcoin was down at 30, $40,000, we wouldn't be seeing XRP at the levels it's at. So obviously a big part of it is Bitcoin price going up, bringing attention to the cryptocurrency markets as a whole, which it has done because we've seen lots of things start to pump. And also the change in the regulatory environment. Obviously, SEC chair Gensler resigning, he's on his way out. A new SEC chair is coming in. And obviously, with that, a lot of the lawsuits, a lot of the regulatory heat that XRP was attracting has now dissipated. It's now being crushed, and the XRP bulls are feeling really, really strong here and ready to pump this thing to Valhalla. And I totally, totally get it. I understand why, if you are an XRP holder, or even if, I'm assuming like quite a few of you are, it tends to be a really, really popular coin, why people are looking at XRP and thinking, look, it's still only at $3. It can go to $6, $9. It can go to $30, 10x to $30, easy peasy. It can go to $300, maybe do a 100x. I'm going to tell you right now, that is so unlikely. It is so unrealistic to have really any expectations of XRP going much higher than the current prices. And I'm actually going to break down my thesis as to why I'm saying this and why I feel that XRP is not a smart investment right now, and why there are other cryptos that are about to do much, much bigger gains, much better gains than XRP. Let me put it this way. I think XRP has seen the best of its moves for this bull market. It's got back to prices it was last at back at the end of 2017. It's pretty much been 8 years of hurt, of pain for those people that bought it at the top of that bull market. It never even got to those prices at the last bull market. It didn't even come remotely close. Do you want to buy an investment that potentially you're going to have to wait then another 7 to 8 years to actually see a return from? Maybe even just to get your money back if it does go down from here. The risks are really, really, really high with XRP here. And obviously, it's easier for me to actually jump onto screen share and tell you or show you what I'm actually talking about. So let me share my screen and let's jump in. So obviously we've got the XRP price here. So like I say, it's at $3.30. If we just go back to the weekly chart, we can see that the previous all-time high was coming in back here, $3.28. So yes, XRP has made it new all-time high, baby. Congratulations if you are an XRP holder. Obviously, we had seen this bullish pennant forming on the daily. Obviously, we got the bullish breakout, we got the retest. This is absolutely textbook. Obviously, holding above 20-day moving average, acceleration higher, taking out the $3 level, taking out all-time highs. Obviously, this $3 level was a significant level too. It was on 1.618. So obviously, I thought, and I said this before on my last XRP video, I said I do think it could push on a little bit higher from here. It could hit $3. It could actually sort of go above $3, wick above $3, and actually come up and target the previous all-time high. But I think at this level now, the upside is relatively limited. And I will, in a second, get into why I think that is. But I mean, from here, like I say, we've come back to previous all-time highs. Obviously, this weekly close, so obviously we're on Thursday right now. Obviously, the crypto market's open 7 days a week, so the week's going to close on Sunday. This weekly close will be really, really important. If XRP can close above this $3.28 level and start to establish itself above this level, then potentially we have another leg higher. And where does that leg higher go to? Potentially $4.60 is one target. We've got $5.20 as another target. So, you know, that's your hopium. If XRP continues, if XRP takes out its previous all-time high, starts to consolidate, starts to build a range, starts to get some sort of consolidation like we saw back here, then of course we could just make another pennant or another bull flag, consolidate and push up to the next level. And obviously the next level I'd have would be this 4.67, which is basically our last bull market swing high down to bear market swing low. So obviously we came all the way as low as 30 cents. Like I say, this is now a 10x for people that were buying it down here. And probably if smart money was accumulating down here, they are going to be looking to cover their positions at the all-time high. And this is an obvious place for profit taking. So that is one thing to bear in mind. Another thing to bear in mind is that the amount of attention XRP is getting right now. We've seen Donald Trump now come out and talk about creating a US-based crypto reserve, potentially prioritizing coins like Solana and XRP. So look, I mean, that is huge news. These types of headlines are usually those headlines that get retail sucked in right at the tops of markets. They're usually used by the smart money as exit liquidity, as exit pumps to actually take their investments out, because a huge number of people are going to be reading that headline, wanting to FOMO into XRP now. It's back to its all-time highs. It's just gone just above all-time highs. Price discovery, let's go. And they end up getting dumped on by the smarter money that was buying it down here. And who even knows if this headline is true or not? I mean, I'd like to think it is. I'm a pretty big crypto bull. I'm a pretty big Solana holder. So I'd love it if there was a, US-based crypto reserve with Solana in it, and XRP could be in it, and some other US based or US founded crypto tokens could be in it. But it seems seems a little bit far to me. We still need to try and get ourselves a Bitcoin strategic reserve first, and then maybe let's talk about some of the other cryptocurrencies. But I'll believe it when I see it. But obviously it is a rumor that is proving to ignite quite a lot of hype, and we can see Solana's up today, XRP's up today. We're getting a decent run in these assets today, likely off the back of that news. So why am I saying XRP has limited upside? So this is something I've talked about before, but I'm going to recap it again. Maybe you're new to the channel. Maybe this is the first video you're watching from here. Maybe you hold XRP. Maybe you're interested in buying XRP. I'm actually going to warn you against buying XRP here, mainly because the market cap, it is 189 billion. That is a big, big number. It is now the third highest valued cryptocurrency by market cap. Okay. That is huge. Above this, you've only got Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum both have ETFs. They both have a massive, massive amount of adoption. They are complete cults, and they have, like I say, real world adoption. Bitcoin is being adopted as a store of value. Ethereum is being adopted as a smart contract and DeFi platform. Even Trump's own World Liberty Financial is buying Ethereum. There's talks about a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Absolutely, Bitcoin and Ethereum deserve to be number one and number two. What is XRP actually doing? How has it proven itself? I mean, it just hasn't. It just has not proven itself whatsoever in any way. There is no proof of concept. There is no track record. There is no real proof of adoption taking place. There's a lot of rumors. It's going to replace Swift. It's going to integrate with Swift. All the banks are going to start using XRP. Why? Why? How? Who has any proof of that? No one has any proof of that. XRP has become a massive cult coin. I'd actually categorize XRP as a meme coin. I think the biggest meme coin in crypto right now is XRP. It's a meme coin which even Dogecoin cannot compete with. It is it's a meme coin, and the meme is that this token is going to replace the legacy financial system, and it's going to change the world. It's going to change interbank cross-border transactions. Everybody's going to go onto the XRP standard. I mean, XRP have just released a stable coin, and I can't remember. Is it RUSD or is it XRUSD? I can't remember exactly what it is, but it might be RL actually. I think it's RLUSD. Okay. Why have they done this? Well, if that's gonna if RLUSD is gonna be on the Ripple Ledger, and obviously it's gonna be pegged to the dollar, then what are these corporations? I mean, if Ripple do actually succeed in sort of getting a ledger, getting banks to actually use a ledger for cross-border transactions, what are they going to use? Are they going to use the token that is flying up 1,000% in bull runs and dumping 95, 98% in a bear market? Or are they going to use the token that is completely pegged to the US dollar? So there's absolutely no risk of loss when it comes to making those transactions from A to B. They're going to go with a stable coin. So what actually is XRP's use case? It is just a complete cult coin. And when I see things like this, and I see, look, this is a fully diluted valuation. So if all of the XRP tokens were currently in circulation, the full value would be 328 billion. Now, Solana, really the darling of this bull market that has had all of the mindshare, all the attention. It's got the meme coin narrative. It's now got the AI agent narrative. It's literally blown this cycle away in terms of adoption metrics, in terms of daily users, in terms of transactions. It is the most used crypto chain out there right now. Obviously, Ethereum is up there too. Ethereum beats Solana by TVL, but Solana is making massive, massive headway into actually sort of coming and challenging Ethereum. For me, the majors are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then Solana. Solana, its fully diluted valuation is 125 million. So this means that XRP is almost, I mean, not quite, but it's basically, I was going to say it's three times the value. It's obviously far more than double the value. It's basically 2.5 times the value of Solana. It just does not make any sense whatsoever. And what I'm going to say is there's a great saying, markets can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. I mean, I'm itching. I'm absolutely itching to open up one of the biggest trades of my life and put on a massive, massive XRP short trade. I've actually started to scale in a tiny, tiny amount. I can't bring myself to put a massive position on right now just because Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market is so bullish. I'm expecting Bitcoin to run much higher at any point to take out 110, 120,000. Ethereum probably gets back above 4,000 soon and runs on to 5, 6, 7,000. Solana could probably double from here. I've got a target of about 420, which is quite a nice number that. but 420 for Solana. So it's hard to see this market exploding and taking off and XRP going down. And for that reason, I do think it's reasonable to suggest that Solana probably has a little bit more in it. It probably can come a little bit higher, but I am not expecting XRP to go up to $10 or $20 or 30, or people are talking about over $500 per token. It just can't happen due to this market cap. Where is the money coming from to actually send XRP up to those types of targets? I mean, if XRP was to go to say $30, do a 10x on that fully diluted value, it'd be worth more than Bitcoin. It's just not going to happen. Even if it does another 25%, it's going to have a fully diluted valuation more than Ethereum. I just cannot see it happening. The only thing I will say about XRP is that when it topped out last time, and this is back in, I think, right at the start of 2018, briefly XRP overtook Ethereum's fully diluted valuation, and that was the top of XRP. So potentially XRP could do another 20 to 25%, another 20 to 25% move. If Ethereum stays around where it is, obviously Ethereum probably pushes up another 20-25% over the next few weeks as well. So potentially we do see XRP make another push higher to flip Ethereum. What could that look like? It could probably look like doing something like this, 40% or 60% absolute tops, and then maybe it struggles a bit whilst the rest of the crypto market sort of pushes on, and then it sort of comes back off. I think if XRP got up to either of these Fibonacci targets, I would be opening up very, very aggressive shorts and happy to hold those shorts really until the end of next year, until the end of the next bear market. So look, like I say, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet. But believe me, I have no bias. I have no ulterior motive. I'm not, invested in the collapse of XRP. Like I say, full disclosure, I've got a very tiny short position, but that's not going to be impacted whatsoever by what I say on this stream. I just want people out there to be aware of the risks, to be very, very careful, because like I say, this can end in tears. If I disclose with you, one of my first investments in crypto was XRP. I was getting in around here at around $2.20, $2.50, came all the way up to $3. I'd made a bit of money. At this point, I just wanted to add. I wanted to hold. That was it. I was convinced XRP was the future. I was one of the XRP army. It came down. I started to buy. I bought $1.50, and then I bought $1, and I was buying all the way down, 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 down until I'd run out of money, and I basically was sat on a massive loss. And with income that I made and that I came in to make, I was absolutely unable to buy to carry on sort of funding my XRP obsession. And I started to go into Bitcoin. I educated myself about cryptocurrency, and money went into Bitcoin, money went into Ethereum, and those assets obviously did a lot better. And I remember this pump towards the end of 2020 was where I took some out. I took some out at the end of the bear market year, which was the end of 2019. So sorry, the end of 2018. So yeah, I was taking bits out. I think it was this pump in 2019. Yeah, May 2019. I took. I think I can't remember whether it was most or almost all of my position. I think we came up to around about sort of 50 cents at some point. I remember taking quite a lot out around there. I definitely took the rest out at the end of 2020, and then started to rotate. And I didn't regret it, even though we did then go higher, because I realized that, this token was just going to do nothing in the long term. And the problem with this is it's never ever given itself or shown itself or proved itself as a token that's able to trade It pumps, it dumps, it bounces along the floor, it pumps, it dumps, it bounces along the floor, it pumps. Guess what happens next, people? So, anyway, the decision's yours. Like I say, don't say I didn't warn you. The dump might take a few months to play out. I think probably by the middle of the summer, XRP's back below $2, maybe back below $1.50. Don't get sucked into sort of chasing this on the way down. When it does roll over, it rolls over. Um, you know, potentially on the weekly, if this was to sort of top here, you're going to have something like that. That's going to be bearish RSI divergence. So obviously, I'm getting ahead of myself now. I will do another update. I will do another update in a week's time, maybe at the end of this weekly close. I want to see how this week closes. In the short term, like I say, I'm not a short term trader. Anything can happen in a short term. XRP could pump, another sort of 40, 50% over the next couple of weeks. It wouldn't surprise me if it does. I'm just saying, for me, over the next sort of 6 months, which is my time horizon, I'm looking at investments for, 6 months to 1 year to 2 years to 3 years. It's not an investment for me now at these levels. If you were going to get in, you wanted to get in down here. Second chance was to get in down here around $2 when we came back, retested the prior all-time high from the last bull run, and then turned that into support and went up to obviously the all-time high from the full history. So from 2017, 2018. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, please do smash a like. Please do comment if you agree. Also comment if you disagree. I know you like to do that, and I'll talk to you all again on the next one.